Welcome to BS International School, where learning is not confined to classrooms, it is experienced, explored, and elevated. Beyond these gates lies a world designed for purpose, a secure, vibrant campus where young minds begin their journey toward excellence. Every step inside reflects warmth and professionalism. Science is not memorized here, it is discovered. Physics, chemistry, biology, robotics, AI, math, and STEAM labs empower students to experiment, explore, and innovate confidently. As we step into the computer lab, you enter a vibrant digital learning space where curiosity meets technology, equipped with modern computer systems and high-speed internet. This lab empowers students to explore coding, programming, research, and creative digital projects. A sanctuary of knowledge, quiet corners, vast collections, and digital resources cultivate curiosity and independent thinking. As we walk into the classroom, you step into a space where learning comes alive every single day. Bright, spacious, and thoughtfully designed, our classrooms create a comfortable and focused environment for students. Equipped with smart boards and modern teaching aids, lessons become interactive, engaging, and easy to understand. Aligned with the Central Board of Secondary Education, Indian National Education Board, CBSE curriculum, teaching here goes beyond textbooks, encouraging discussion, critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity. Our indoor games area is designed to keep students active and energized throughout the year. From chess and carom to table tennis and other skill-based games, this space encourages strategic thinking, teamwork, and healthy competition. It ensures that recreation and skill development go hand in hand. The future belongs to thinkers and creators. Innovative Zenith is our advanced learning ecosystem where students engage in entrepreneurship, research, and real-world problem solving. Within it lies the Incubator Center, a launchpad for student ideas, prototypes, and innovation-driven projects. Here, leadership and enterprise are nurtured early. Now we step into our dedicated shooting area, a space that promotes focus, discipline, and precision. With proper safety measures and trained supervision. Welcome to our grand auditorium, a vibrant stage where talents shine and voices are heard. Equipped with advanced sound systems, lighting, and spacious seating, this hall hosts assemblies, cultural programs, competitions, seminars, and celebrations. It is here that confidence grows through debates, performances, presentations, and leadership opportunities. The auditorium is not just a hall. It is a platform where students discover their strengths and express themselves boldly. Look up and dream beyond the sky. Our space lab introduces students to astronomy, satellite science, and the wonders of the universe, inspiring the next generation of explorers. As we step into the primary classroom, you enter a world of curiosity, color, and creativity. Designed especially for young learners, welcome to BS Montessori, a joyful and nurturing space where a child's learning journey begins with curiosity and confidence. Rooted in Montessori philosophy and blended with modern practices, our environment is thoughtfully designed to support holistic development. Child-friendly classrooms, structured learning corners, and scientifically designed Montessori materials encourage hands-on exploration and independent learning. Our curriculum focuses on strong foundational skills in literacy and numeracy, along with sensory development, language enrichment, practical life skills, and creative expression. Through storytelling, music, art, movement, and activity-based learning, Children grow in confidence, concentration, and coordination. Teachers act as gentle guides, offering individual attention and ensuring that each child feels secure, valued, and motivated. A safe and stimulating atmosphere, combined with outdoor play and collaborative activities. At BS International School, we do not just prepare students for exams, we prepare them for life. Strength, discipline, teamwork. With professional coaching across 18 sports, from football, cricket and basketball, to swimming, archery, skating, martial arts, gymnastics, chess and more, BS International School builds champions in body and mind. Moments of laughter, healthy meals, friendships that last a lifetime.